Great improvements in your skiing, Cat. Your skiing is becoming more dynamic. Let's take a look at a turn. You are stopping your upper body rotation and you're facing down the fall line now. Your shoulders are parallel to the slope. As you start your turn, feel more of your hip going to the inside of the turn. That will put more pressure and edge to the outside ski. As you plant your pole, have your arm a little more relaxed, more like an airplane. Great job!